Young Technician of the Year. Sam Cavender, Operations Engineer at 3Sun Group, is the first finalist for the Young Technician of the Year award. Sam's proactivity and drive has meant that since joining 3Sun in 2010, he has already introduced processes to improve efficiency and has been given responsibility for major client projects. He has shown his employers that he has the makings of a problem-solving and financially conscientious future leader, and his dedication and ability to take on new challenges has also inspired faith from clients.
One of the first notable jobs I completed was a construction of a portable valve cabinet, which I did with another one of the project engineers. He walked me through each step. We received a repeat order for it. They left it to me much more on my own accord to move along with the project and do it myself, having already done it once with the project engineer, and they went out successfully to carry on with more repeat orders. During my time in operations, I've done a broad range of items, moving from maintenance to installation. The bit I found I enjoyed most was the technical side of the HPUs, why each hydraulic component is actually involved in the system. So that's where I'd like to see myself moving on in the next few years.
Our second finalist is Michael Learmonth, Production Technician on the Scott platform. Michael is respected as one of the most knowledgeable employees on the platform, despite being one of the youngest members of its production team. He develops innovative solutions to technical challenges, and his commitment and maturity has ensured that his remit has grown rapidly over the past 4 years to include area authority and isolation authority and verification.
I left school, joined the Merchant Navy, where I done my HND and my SVQ level 3. That involved going to college and doing work experience deep sea. I'd always wanted to go offshore, so when I'd finished my training in the Merchant Navy, I then looked for jobs in the offshore industry. The project I've been involved in is a diesel replacement spill campaign. That's our primary supply for our emergency system, so we had to try and design a way that we could still keep the supply running and minimise downtime. I was involved in creating drawings and writing a report on available solutions, i.e. manifolds and temporary pipework to keep the supply up. The advice I would give to a young technician is work hard, work safely and follow your procedures.
Our final nominee in this category is Craig Wood, Electrical Technician at Apache North Sea. Craig was the youngest to become an authorised electrical person in the 40s field when he progressed to the role within 15 months rather than the expected 4 years, while simultaneously becoming an electrical area authority. Over and above the demands of these roles, he also looks to develop skills outside of his discipline.
First started on the 40s Charlie, which is a very big platform. I was quickly moved to the Bravo within a year, which is a much smaller team, much more multi-skilled required. I've got to involve myself in production, instrument control, bias work, which is out with my discipline. I quickly got an authorised electrical person and a permit area authority on the platform, which is very in-depth at the moment due to the switchboard upgrade which is progressing. And I see myself in the future becoming a supervisor.